Hello everyone, welcome to the Wellness Watchers channel, where we explore the world of nutrition and wellness. In today's video, we will be discussing the remarkable health benefits of combining chia seeds and oats. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you can boost your overall well-being and support various aspects of your health. Stay tuned as we uncover the scientific research behind the positive effects of these two ingredients. Keep watching to find out our suggestions on how to incorporate these items into your diet, and also to see our note of caution about chia seeds. Here are the benefits of combining chia seeds and oats. 1. Rich in essential nutrients. Chia seeds and oats are both packed with essential nutrients that can provide a significant boost to your daily nutrient intake. Chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, antioxidants, and various vitamins and minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Oats, on the other hand, are loaded with complex carbohydrates, dietary fiber, protein, B vitamins, and minerals such as manganese and phosphorus. 2. Enhanced digestive health. The combination of chia seeds and oats is highly beneficial for digestive health due to their rich fiber content. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevents constipation, and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. Moreover, chia seeds form a gel-like substance when soaked in liquid, which aids in digestion and promotes satiety. A randomized controlled trial published in the British Journal of Nutrition demonstrated that chia seeds could significantly improve bowel movement frequency and consistency, thus supporting overall digestive health. 3. Heart-healthy properties. Chia seeds and oats are both renowned for their heart-protective properties. Chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. Oats, in the form of oatmeal, are rich in beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that can help reduce LDL cholesterol levels. A systematic review and meta-analysis published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming chia seeds significantly reduced systolic blood pressure and C-reactive protein levels, indicating reduced inflammation. Also, a study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition revealed that the beta-glucan present in oats can effectively lower LDL cholesterol. 4. Weight management support. If you're looking to maintain a healthy weight or shed a few pounds, incorporating chia seeds and oats into your diet can be a good choice. Both ingredients provide a feeling of fullness, prevent overeating, and contribute to weight management. A clinical trial published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition reported that chia seeds, due to their high fiber and protein content, can increase satiety and reduce food intake, which may be beneficial for weight management. And a study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that oats have a higher satiety index compared to other common breakfast cereals, thereby aiding in weight control. The combination of chia seeds and oats is a nutritious and popular choice for a healthy breakfast or snack. Here are a few ways of preparing chia seeds and oats together. 1. Basic overnight chia seeds and oats pudding. Mix 1/4 cup of chia seeds and 1/2 cup of oats in a jar or bowl. Add 1 cup of your choice of milk, preferably plant-based milk, and stir well. Sweeten to taste with either honey or maple syrup. Cover the jar or bowl and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, give it a good stir and enjoy it as a cold pudding-like breakfast. 2. Chia seeds and oats smoothie. Combine 1/4 cup of chia seeds, 1/2 cup of oats, 1 cup of milk, and a ripe banana in a blender. Add honey, dates, or maple syrup to sweeten if desired. Blend until smooth and creamy. You can also add other ingredients like berries, cinnamon, or nut butter to enhance the flavor and nutritional value. Pour the smoothie into a glass and consume. 3. Chia seed and oats parfait. In a glass or jar, layer your favorite yogurt, chia seeds, and oats. Repeat the layers until the glass is full, ending with a layer of yogurt on top. Drizzle honey or maple syrup over the top for added sweetness. Add fresh or frozen berries, sliced bananas, or other fruits between the layers. Let the parfait sit in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or overnight to allow the oats and chia seeds to soften. Enjoy the parfait as a refreshing and filling breakfast or snack. A note of caution. While chia seeds are generally considered safe and nutritious to consume, there are a few precautions to keep in mind. 1. Choking risk. Chia seeds absorb liquid and become gelatinous when soaked or mixed with water. If consumed dry, they can swell and potentially cause choking, especially in people with swallowing difficulties or young children. It is advisable to soak chia seeds before consuming them to prevent this risk. 2. Digestive issues. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort such as bloating or gas when consuming chia seeds in large quantities. This is because chia seeds are high in fiber and can have a laxative effect. It is recommended to start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake while ensuring adequate hydration. 3. Medication interactions. Chia seeds may interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners. Chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, which possess blood-thinning properties. If you take anticoagulant medications or have a bleeding disorder, it is best to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating chia seeds into your diet. 4. Allergic reactions. While allergic reaction to chia seeds is rare, some individuals may be allergic to chia seeds. If you have a known allergy to sesame seeds or mustard seeds, you may also be at risk of developing an allergic reaction to chia seeds. If you experience any signs of an allergic reaction, such as itching, hives, or difficulty breathing, discontinue use and seek medical attention. As with any dietary change, it is recommended to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to determine how chia seeds fit into your individual needs. Finally, combining chia seeds with oats creates a powerful nutritional blend that can have numerous positive effects on your health. From providing essential nutrients and supporting digestive health to promoting heart health and aiding in weight management, these two ingredients offer a range of benefits backed by scientific research. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on nutrition and wellness. Stay healthy and take care of yourself.